You haven't been flossing, mate.
I just said that! I'm right there, you know! Okay, actually you can't see me, but I'm right on top of everything!
Hey!
Magnificent! Not bad at all! Hey, you're a
Door, you got the door. Cool.
Really?
You were saying?
I don't know. We're open yet. Well, then, we should open it and see what they... We have the same... Door market! Get over here right now.
Oh.
What is it, Mommy and Pappy? Dora, we just got to know from the principal saying that you everyone job 0. She also suggested you will go to summer school.
No.
I've been thinking, things may have been a little too boring without the other webkins.
But we do love everybody. Not just the people who are like us.
But we accept others just the way we are.
That's right. And because God always forgives us, we need to forgive others when they hurt our feelings too.
Sure about this? That's one idea. Can we all just get a one-upper? Why, yes it is. Yep, early turnover can be good enough. Or maybe you need to just get along a bit. And because you don't know, we should do about ourselves. Oh, this is gonna be another really idea. Hey, this is not a good idea because you need to get your dust first. And before you get a nice one, get a warm a bit. Try wash. You mean to lie about yourself? Guess what I get to do? I got something new what else to do. And then you get to do about it. Guys, this is not a good idea. Just get the warning, never know.
What's wrong with me? Let's see. I hate you guys. You're hella stupid. Shut your goddamn mouth, badass. That's fine. I like playing with myself. I play with myself all day long. More than your weak American weapons to destroy me. Stinky britches, you got stinky britches. Stinky, stinky britches, you got stinky, stinky britches. You got stinky britches. Stinky britches, you got stinky, stinky.
I'm not gonna do that. I'll look silly and I'll go to the hospital again.
Your dad is probably back in the pet store.
Pet store?
Yeah. Wait a darn second. Pets are not allowed in this house. You need your permission form next Thursday. Okay, kids, I know you already got your permission forms. So let's all go to the zoo.
Here we go. What? Where are we going to go today?
Mail order.
eBay.
I'm from the ocean.
Transport.
Wait a second. I don't understand, Big Straw. Who am I? Don't you know? You're the person you've ever met. You can go to places you've never seen before. And everything that you can show. You see? Messi!
If I notice I'm smelly, I go back and take a shower. You know, why not, right? You would if you could. Come on.
Rocket, why did you stop? Rocket's listening to something. It's a pretty song. But no, seriously. Big, I mean huge in danger.
I've got a lovely set of teeth.
What are you?
Hi, Nigel.
What the heck are you doing? You are not a good for me. And what the heck?
Hello? Oh, hi, Stacy. No, I can't go to the mall right now. Mom just went to the store. She left me in charge. Well, you know, conditionally. Oh, if you go, can you see if Jeremy is there? No, he's the cute one that works at Mr. Slushy Burger. Yeah, he totally smiled at me last time I was there. I just about died. No, I told you I can't. I'm watching my brother and stepbrother. Yeah, and they never get into trouble, because Mom never catches them. One of these days, though, I'm gonna see to it that she catches them red-handed. Will you hold it down? I am trying to use the phone. Mom left me in charge, so there'll be no shenanigans today. What are they doing right now? Why do you ask? What do you mean you could see it from your house? See what?
Hey man, the 80s called. They want you dead.
Kill me!
You want a piece of me?
And Alan, are you a cow? What? No.
Yeah, me neither. You guys want to go skateboard?
Boss, what will today's meeting be about? Today you're going to do real work. Real work? Did you say real work? Yes. Real work! I hate real work. I could just scream and run for it. Now come over here, you two. Do we really have to? Yes. We never got to. Secretary, here's your food. Thanks. There's your calculator, and here's your computer. I don't even know how to work these things. I actually have to turn it on you. There, 888. You just press numbers? Yeah. You can play while she does work. Can I do emails? You can do emails. Yay! Hi, friends! This is the best work day ever! Talk to Stacy. Stacy, please stop calling me in mid-session. I can even try to find That's my phone! You can but I just thought of a great ringtone for you. No ringtone. Back to your station. Okay, back. Oh, actually, I will like a new ringtone. No. No. The hallway needs to be nice and sticky. There's way too much. I can't choose. I'll choose one for you. Oh, this one looks good. A love knot. A love knot. Huh.